Okay, so now if the tone is false, so if we've either got a highlight or we have both, then we can link the highlight. Now we can go else. So actually, let's just back these all up one space. We're going to use the exact same line, except we'll change this to tone. And that should get us around the problem. I just saw that when we were doing it, so I wanted to fix it up. So here we go. There you go. Works perfect. So now, there's really only one more thing that I really wanted to show in this tutorial. And this is about the line, adding a prefix to your words. So, I'm just going to add up here, as again to a dialogue. I'm going to use the line edit type, and it's going to call, basically you'll see this label is a name which is beside it, and the text that's inside it is going to be empty. I'm just going to add it to the dialogue, and so now if I save this, you'll see what's appeared. Down here we have prefix, an empty box. If you put text in here, it would actually appear in the box. But I'd rather have it blank because I like my default names, but if you'd rather have a different default, then that's fine. So now I'm just going to go back and I'm going to steal again code because it's just kind of finicky. So now you can see where this difference is. Here, to our element name, where previously it was just element name equals tone matter, I've added prefix.text. So now, whatever's in that prefix is now appearing before that tone matter, and it will always appear. And then I'm also going to stick it before the tone. And so you'll basically notice here, I've added the prefix. Oops, let's press Ctrl Z. Which I'm going to paste it again. That didn't work out. There we go. We're back to where we were. So you'll see here that I've got prefix.text plus tone. It's the same as here. This plus sign just joins the two words together. If I did it afterwards, it'll be a suffix. So if I went tone matte plus prefix.text, it'll actually add it on the end, not at the beginning. And so this plus just joins them together. You'll see here, because I've now got this prefix, I've now got instead top plus the prefix.text plus the tone. So now you should be able to see this in practice. And as you can see, it's now test tone and test tone. So I'm now going to copy and paste. Same thing in here. I'm going to paste this whole thing into the Toon Boom forums. So, you don't necessarily, if you can't read it all on the screen, it's not going to be a big deal. Now what we are going to have to do is go down here and change our linking, which I probably already have done. So here, I'm going to copy that over. You're going to see that this is just going to add the prefix, the plus prefix in. Now I'm also going to need to do it down here. And so I have probably done that too, but we're going to need to do it for the tone as well, so I'll have to do that one manually, which will probably be good. So all I'm doing here is I'm going adding a couple of plus signs, and in between this plus I'm just going prefix dot text, adding the tone, and so hopefully this is now beautifully working. And here we go, works great. Now what I will do is, let's just go up here, comment out this return so it doesn't do anything. And now, see when I press cancel, it actually does the script, which is not what you wanted to do. So if we now go back and take this return, and now press cancel, it doesn't run anything. So hopefully that was, an interesting start for you into some scripting. And we've got a little bit of an issue here. When I have both, it's drawing it from the tone and not the highlight, which is not what we wanted it to do. So I guess we've got something else to do.